Hello guys, my name is Bishal and you are watching Bishal Tech. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is the best screen recording application for free. For free. So if you are watching this video, you are probably the new YouTuber or you want to start your new channel on YouTube. So regarding thinking of that, I am starting my video to show you how to record your screen. First of all, we have to download the application. So open your browser, in my case Chrome. Okay, so you can see I already opened a tab. So I suggest you to copy the uh, email address. Here you written www.ispringsolution.com. After that, this page will come. After that, you have to put your email address. You can put any fake address also. If you like random any address, just press download. After pressing download, it will start downloading. Okay, so after that this page will open. Here is instruction are given that how to install the application. First, number one, open the installation file from down here. Then after installing this window will open, then you will give install. Then here is your application. It will open. I don't want to download the application because I already have in my laptop. So I will I will not install it. I will come out. Okay, so guys, you can see here the icon iSpring FreeCam 8. This is the application. So I think you want to press it. I already open it for you. After opening this, you will see like this. You will give here start recording. After you give the start record, so here you can see a new tab here. So by pressing this one, the recording will start. But before that, you have to pull all this to your whole screen. Otherwise, your whole screen will not record. So that's why you have to pull it. Okay. Then you have to press start. So 1 2 3 count. After that it will start automatically. Now your screen is recording. You can do whatever you want to do, like press anything or open anything. After you finish recording, just press shift